journey of a nation, there are moments that redefine its strength, not just in symbols or speeches, but in steel, resolve, and firepower. In an era marked by shifting global alliances and new age warfare, India is quietly but powerfully scripting its own defense story, grounded in self-reliance, driven by innovation, and executed with precision. This is the story of one such milestone, Adani Defence and Aerospace, and its game-changing small arms manufacturing facility in the historic city of Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh. Gwalior is a city known for its glorious forts and timeless heritage, but today it stands tall for another reason, becoming the epicenter of a modern industrial revolution in defense manufacturing. Amid the ramparts of history, a new chapter is being written. Where once stood battlegrounds of kings, now rises one of the most advanced small arms manufacturing facilities in India, spearheaded by Adani Defence and Aerospace. The Adani Group has been a cornerstone of India's nation-building journey, creating infrastructure that powers progress. Under the visionary leadership of Chairman Mr. Gautam Adani, the group has laid the foundation for critical sectors, from ports and energy to defense and aerospace. At the forefront of this transformation in the defense sector are Jeet Adani, Director of Adani Enterprises, and Ashish Rajvanshi, CEO of Adani Defence and Aerospace. Their forward-looking vision, strategic foresight, and deep commitment to national self-reliance have been instrumental in shaping India's modern defense capabilities. Together, they are steering Adani Defence and Aerospace towards becoming a global leader, one that is allied with Atmanirbhar Bharat, committed to Make in India and trusted by the Indian Armed Forces. Their leadership is not just building factories but fueling a national movement, equipping the Indian soldier with indigenous strength and unmatched precision. From unmanned systems to artillery guns, ammunition to missiles, counter-drone systems to aircraft services, and now small arms, Adani Defence's portfolio is a beacon of indigenous innovation. Through strategic partnerships with global OEMs and a relentless focus on homegrown expertise, Adani Defence and Aerospace is building a defense ecosystem that rivals the best in the world.
हम चाहते हैं हम आत्मनिर्भर बने और मैं हमारी डिफेंस फोर्सेस का हृदय से धन्यवाद करता हूं। उन्होंने हजारों ऐसी चीजें लिस्ट कर दी है। उन्होंने तय किया है कि हम विदेश से नहीं लाएंगे। डिफेंस के सेक्टर में हम आत्मनिर्भर होते चले जा रहे हैं। आज डिफेंस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में भारत की पहचान बनी है और मैं आज खुशी से कह सकता हूं कि जो देश कभी डिफेंस की हर छोटी मोटी चीज बाहर से लाता था, आज धीरे धीरे दुनिया के कई देशों में हम जो डिफेंस के इक्विपमेंट मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं वो हम एक्सपोर्ट करने लगे हैं। दुनिया में डिफेंस हब, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हब के रूप में हम धीरे धीरे उभर रहे हैं।
Established in 2017, the small arms journey began with component manufacturing and sub-assembly. Adani Defence and Aerospace soon emerged as one of India's largest exporters of gun components. Today, it houses India's first private sector small arms ecosystem, a 65-acre state-of-the-art facility that has transitioned from importing to innovating, developing and delivering. This facility now produces a wide range of small arms, from pistols, carbines, assault rifles, LMGs, sniper rifles to even AI-enabled smart weaponry. With an annual capacity exceeding 100,000 firearms, the goal of self-reliance is being realized. Engineered for precision, carbines and pistols designed for agility and durability, Lightweight, low recoil and field proven, these weapons are crafted for the Indian Army, paramilitary forces and law enforcement with an eye on global markets.
Today I am standing in Gwalior site where we manufacture small arms. This is a site which is set up in 2017 and is a state-of-art factory for manufacturing small arms. The type of equipment that we have, the number of the inspection equipment that we have installed, the people that we have, this is something which has been done considering the stringent requirement of defense business. This is something which is being done to help secure our boundaries and secure the nation, so we cannot compromise on the quality of the product coming out. Otherwise, also for this industry, the quality protocols are very strict. So the barrel manufacturing, for example, what we have set up is something which is not there in any of the manufacturing industries in the private sector in India. The CMM machines, the barrel inspection machines, the firing and test range that we have, the quality protocols that we follow, the number of checks that we do is something which is second to none. You can compare them with the best in the world. You will always find us one step ahead of them. As part of implementation of Industry 4.0, the digitization that we have implemented manufacturing execution system. So all our machines, they talk to the ERP. We have SAP in our company. They talk to our manufacturing execution system. We are able to keep all the records. We are able to analyze whether those parts that we have manufactured, they're meeting the standards which have been laid down by the organization. This all is possible because we get 100% support from our management, including our CEO and the chairman, and their focus is on ensuring that we get best quality product out of this factory, so that we ensure that the armed forces are given the best of arms.
At the core of Adani Defence and Aerospace's small arms facility in Gwalior lies a critical capability: complete in-house mastery over key weapon components. This facility houses India's first fully integrated private sector barrel manufacturing line, a benchmark in precision engineering. Equipped with advanced CNC machining centers, robotic automation and an in-house metallurgy lab, the line ensures world-class quality, consistency and speed. A standout process is cold forging, a technique employed by only a handful of manufacturers worldwide. This process shapes the barrel without heat, enhancing its strength, lifespan and accuracy, making it suitable for the toughest combat conditions. But the barrel is only one part of a larger ecosystem. The Gwalior facility also manufactures all pressure-bearing components in-house, including bolt carriers, receivers, firing pins, extractors, plastic component and CMM testing. Each component is designed, machined and tested under one roof, significantly reducing foreign dependence and ensuring full life cycle control of every weapon. This vertical integration allows Adani Defence and Aerospace to maintain tight tolerances, end-to-end traceability and rapid innovation cycles, making the facility one of the most advanced of its kind in the world.
We manufacture the small arms. We have a team, dedicated team, a facility dedicated for small arms manufacturing. And this is presently the largest small arm manufacturing in India. We have critical technologies adopted and absorbed completely. The only private sector having this thing is Adani. We do not have this thing outside the PSUs presently. The main strength what we have is machines, technology and man behind the machine. We have the technology which is very few available. If you see the machine behind me, this is available globally. This will be available in very few, which we count on the fingers. my head of the departments from production, quality, engineering, maintenance, all came with diverse background of engineering, aerospace. So this makes a team which is completely diversified, but at the same time committed for one goal. And when I see the vision from Mr. Gautam Adani and Mr. Ashish, we learned one more thing, that this is not a business, but this is being seen as a service to nation, and it is a nation building. So with that motto and with that vision, when you work on any particular subject, when any particular project, you will have a different enthusiasm, you will have a different focus, and you will have a different commitment level. And you can see that commitment level in all my staff, right from the machine operation to the top management. Everyone has the same focus, same commitment level, and very great. But I can say that it is a satisfaction being associated with the Adani and being associated with small arms for a noble cause of nation building. So it's not only the business. When we get into detail, why we have the best in class technology, we are the main motto of that thing in the indigenization, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. We have the technology adopted completely India. Behind the technology, we have the machinery, we have the service in India. We have developed the tooling, tool holders, everything. The parts which are required, technology which are required to this thing in India. We have developed the raw material in India. We have developed the complete ecosystem which is supporting us, whether it is a forging supplier, whether it is a surface treatment supplier, whether it is a pre-machining supplier, plastic component supplier, injection molding supplier. All this ecosystem is built in India to make India Atmanirbhar, and now we are ready to take a bigger leap in terms of meeting the demand. We had the discussion with our CEO, Mr. Ashish. The discussion was, there is a demand, there is a supply, we are the bridge. There is a vision from Mr. Adani, and there is a reality. We are the bridge between this vision and reality.
Every firearm is the sum of its parts, but at Adani Defence and Aerospace, the process goes beyond assembly. It is a digital-first, data-driven system that ensures precision, accountability, and full traceability at every step. From individual components to final integration, every part is tagged, tracked, and digitally documented. The digital backbone enables end-to-end monitoring, capturing everything from material origins to operator actions. This means every weapon can be traced back to its batch, component, and even the technician responsible, creating a system of complete transparency and accountability. On the shop floor, digital dashboards and automated systems guide the technicians through exact assembly protocols. This is not just modern manufacturing, it is a leap into the future of defense production. Before any weapon reaches the hands of a soldier, it must prove itself through relentless testing and validation. At Adani Defence and Aerospace's small arms facility in Gwalior, every firearm goes through one of the most stringent testing protocols in the country. At the core of this process is the 25-meter underground firing range, a state-of-the-art test facility designed for precision, safety, and controlled ballistic evaluation. Here, each firearm is test-fired with 30 rounds, undergoing assessments for function, reliability, recoil behavior, and mechanical integrity. The underground range is equipped with high-speed monitoring systems and ballistic sensors, allowing engineers to record and analyze every shot in real time. Whether it is an assault rifle, carbine, sniper, or pistol, every weapon is put through its paces to meet and exceed performance benchmarks. Beyond firing accuracy, weapons are tested in environmental simulation chambers, subjected to extreme cold, heat, dust and humidity to replicate diverse combat conditions faced by Indian forces. Further testing includes automated life cycle rigs where guns are subjected to thousands of cycles to assess fatigue and endurance, mimicking years of operational use in just days. Only after passing these comprehensive tests on accuracy, consistency and durability does a weapon earn its certification to move forward. This level of testing ensures that the soldier in the field can depend on their weapon in every round, every mission and every terrain.
क्वालिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कस्टमर को डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से CMM, जेनोटेक एंड GMS टेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उनको वैलिडेट करना, नॉट ओनली फुल प्रोडक्ट को वैलिडेट करना, इवन स्टार्टिंग लेवल से RM को, स्टैंडर्ड RM को यूज करना एंड कंपोनेंट लेवल पर डिफरेंट ऑपरेशन वाइज उसको वैलिडेट करना, देन फुल प्रोडक्ट को भी सेम प्रोसेस से वैलिडेट करना। स्मॉल आर्म्स यूनिट का मेन उद्देश्य है कि फर्स्ट क्वालिटी पैरामीटर्स मीट करना चाहिए, सेकेंडली जो कस्टमर चाहे वो डिफरेंट एजेंसियां हो, गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी हो या एक्सपोर्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी अगर मुझे वो मार्केट में सेल करना है तो फर्स्ट क्वालिटी मीट करना चाहिए, सेकेंडली हमें कमिटमेंट एंड उसका टाइमलाइन जो है वो 100% मीट होने चाहिए। ये हम लोगों का मेन उद्देश्य है जिससे हम कंटिन्यूसली कस्टमर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वो सप्लाई कर सकें एंड उनकी टाइमलाइन को मीट कर सकें। एज ए ऑपरेशन हेड एंड सो मैनी मैन पावर्स अवेलेबल एट प्लांट, तो हम लोग सारे लोग एज ए टीम वर्क अदानी डिफेंस एंड एरोस्पेस में जो वर्क करते हैं वो फ्रीडम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एंड फुल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ एज ए टीम वर्क करते हैं।
Precision without proof is incomplete. That is why the Gwalior facility is backed by internationally recognized certifications, including ISO 9001 and rigorous quality protocols derived from global defense benchmarks. From coordinate measuring machines, each component and final weapon is validated against stringent dimensional and material standards. Quality is not an afterthought, it is embedded in every action, every step, every file. This commitment to certification ensures that weapons made here are not just fit for Indian forces but ready to meet global defense demands, opening doors for exports and international collaborations. Adani Defense and Aerospace is driving India's strategic independence in small arms, supporting our frontline soldiers with weapons they can trust and developing export quality arms that put India on the global map. Gwalior is creating an industrial ecosystem in Madhya Pradesh, generating jobs and empowering MSMEs. Beyond defense, Adani Defense and Aerospace is committed to community development. By generating local employment and fostering a booming ecosystem, this facility is uplifting lives in Gwalior. The Gwalior Small Arms Facility is more than a factory. It is a symbol of India's pride and power. From imported dependence to made in India excellence, Adani Defense and Aerospace is equipping the Indian soldier with world-class firepower. A new chapter in India's defense journey has begun, rooted in precision, driven by purpose and forged with unwavering commitment. From the deserts of Rajasthan to the icy heights of Siachen, from counter-insurgency in the northeast to peacekeeping across borders, India's soldiers stand ready, and now they carry the strength forged by Adani Defense and Aerospace, not imported, not borrowed, but made in India, for India.